The simple fact of not falling into self-centeredness and arrogance makes us better learners. The existence of values says a lot about a person, especially about a culture. Hi, I'm Andrea Espinoza, and in this video I will give a brief explanation about um, a Japanese culture. Okay, if we compare the culture of Japan with other countries, for example, Spain, Germany, United States, we will come to the conclusion that the Japanese has very instilled values, unlike other countries. As seen in the video, respect and humility stand out. I have seen even these values reflected in some films. The value of respect and humility are the language of Japanese. I, for one, have to say that it is a country where respect is emphasized from a very early age. They are very polite people. In fact, I am currently living in Spain, and contrary to Japanese culture, Spanish culture does not have the respect and humility. However, Japanese society does. Okay, it has that patience, humility, and respect. I think that why their language stands out because of their values. By the way, there is a Japanese shop near my house, and the boss is very kind and friendly. And now that I've seen the video, I say, wow, that video absolutely right. So why don't other culture or countries, well, it's the same, have these values? I think we would live in complete social harmony, but apparently that's not going to happen. Well, who knows? In general, this culture is a set of values where they surely live in social and work harmony. In Japanese society, both the value of respect and humility is their uh, true languages. This is how they identify themselves. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.